a friend. Say, whoa, wake up my people, yeah, people. We're having a party tonight, yeah. Where everything will be alright. Say, come on, everyone. Yes, come on. It's time that we should have some fun. We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're old. Now time is short, so hear me, man. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to work yourself away. No, no. Remember, there's another day. So we got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're old. Yes, rocking and rolling, yes, sweet reggae music, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Say, come with me, mine, put up. Oh, you mean? Pull up that. You know, it's such a fact. Yes. Basic play. Same way. Baby. Say, come with me. Come, my love. To the sea of love. I want to tell you how much I love you. Yes. So do you remember the time we met? Oh, no, baby, how could I forget? I want to tell you how much I love you. I want you to go with me. Come on, baby, to the sea. And I love. Do you remember the time we met? Baby, baby, how could I forget? I wanna tell you how much I love you. Yeah. Rock. Yes. Rock. Yeah. I said rock. the bees are coming and the snake in the man feet. Now the radiation time, check the sign, check the time. You're not feeling. When you see the use and never in the street, and you know say things like the sweet. And I was when I show from the very day I can't find complete. But I don't pray. I got the devil and keep it. I do it next to bed. Give thanks. So nice to see once and once come together in one perfect harmony. Just like a precious statement. You can support all the black music to the fullest. And give thanks for supporting yourself. When which means supporting yourself, when which means they can come together and sit together without war. It's because I'm about to sing tonight. It's one dedicated to me. And I don't respect themselves and have confidence in yourself. Accept yourself for who you are. And it goes like this. Give me a one drop. Black like a tar. Like a tar. Black and I'm proud I am for know who you are. Black like a tar. Like a tar. Africa is the motherland, big up her for black superstar. Black like a tar. Like a tar. Black and I'm proud I am for know who you are. Makes my one drop said speed. Some say when you see black puss, you return back. Some say nothing good never come out of black. K-Clap was bad, I say him too black. But my complexion, it could have never flap. I'm proud to be black, I'm black to be proud. Marcus Garvey leader, 10 million black. I'm black to be proud, I'm proud to be black. Say if you will to shout it up and shout it. Like a tar. I'm proud I am for who you are. Like a tar. Africa, hey Africa, yes. Like a tar. Know who you are. Like a tar. Break it down. That's one thing when you call Marcus Garvey said, when you last confidence in yourself, you last 100% in the race of life. You're like a tree without a root. Rastafari. You see me? No one. Chaka. Rastafari. But you see, when chicks are youth, and you'll end up. This is how they do. Some bleach out them skin and think them woulda win. Some bleach out them skin until it get thin. Some bleach out them skin, see that it can't hear the king now from the bleach out the skin. Yes. Rastaman listen to the spice that I bring. Rastaman and me Babylon can't track mix. Rastaman smoking heads with the king. My black like a tar. Like a tar. come from the slum. Everyone look down on. Rastafari highlight her. Why? Rastafari doing cleanliness. I would say cleanliness is godliness, don't? Every time. I tell you some boy get your girl. You might tell you the outside of her tabernacle may look shabby and look. You see they go inside that bed, well spread. Or this is washed properly. And I want she have clean and put down. So you see she never let you down. Cleanest girl in town, so proudly she wear rest the crown. Tell them about the ghetto girl. I represent tonight. Thank you. Yeah, we are shouting down right now. You don't know the thing go. Yes, so you don't know who can be here and you know don't share the music because music is love and happiness and sharing. And care and sharing. I'm good version around there, Charlie Blacks. Promotes his new album tonight. He said you want to join me on stage. So I say you're welcome, sir. So let's do this.
Chalice make it go so na 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 na. And a mission giant pink to savannah. Positive vibration without any jamama. Herbs make your eyes them heavy like a mama. Still I find the vibe and feet and touch base. It's mandatory Babylon not like me herbs ways. But on the with a split in like mortal ways. And today we going to similar ways.
Officer, know what you searching for, what you working for.
When I go out here tonight, we ain't no money logic, sir.
So please stay far.
When I go out here tonight,
Sweetheart, when you are going to wine. So officer, we not go out here tonight.
I think I want it. What you say about my Richie?
I want drop. Gee, well, honey, Charlie.
Yeah. What you say you go?
Gee, sweet ganja herbs coming from Linstead. Mr. Patek, as me drive, me stop, me take a drive. Hold on, come on, balance. Come on, balance.
A new song.
Yeah, brand new song. Yes. Sweet ganja herbs coming from Linstead. Me drive, me stop, me take a drug, cannot cure. The virgin to me, my ask me for more. Real ganja herbs, so we settle on.
What you say?
You never hear no aggravation.
No.
You never hear no celebration.
Oh.
All ganja the healing of the nation.
Me say we
Working on the station, I'm his magic.
I'm thinking about you searching for what you've heard.
When I go out here tonight, you never know my dreams are.
So please stay far.
When I go out here tonight,
That's what the herbs and
wine. So officer, when I go out here tonight, that's the only thing you will find. Sir, break it down.
ever. We are some manners and respect Richie Spice. Big up yourself, guys, know the thing go. Everybody make some noise for Richie Spice.
Yes, sir.
Play the rhythm same way, because you know the thing go, no manners and respect, you know. More life, more prosperity, you hear that? I said to know the Richie Spice, them come sing. And the song we just sing a while ago is from my new album. It's called No Excuses. You understand? Because you know some is a man represent for the girls. So it's like, it's an honor to have a song with the Richie Spice. I appreciate it. You see me I say? So big respect to everybody that's here tonight. Just in case you never know he's here. Children, them born and grow. And no separation, the boy you go through. But central we not give up. We multi-talented. Let me say, if we not reach this year, next year. Because me born as hustler. If we not reach this year, next year me have to step up me hustling. If we not reach this year, next year. Big up, big up. Big up on yourself, more life, more prosperity. Richie Spice, brother.
Hey, Charlie!
Oh,
check it out. Yeah, big Charlie Blacks. I don't know how we got the farmer them to the fullest because yes, without the farmers you have no food on our table. You know the water will be filthy and the atmosphere will be filthy. So we all farmers to the fullest and we say keep on doing what you're doing. Here? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let's go. my boy hot tree that time I plant before. And it goes like this. Tree. Come on. I plant a little tree in my front yard. Precious little tree in my front yard. Always rise for this tree. Some say the seed of found upon the wise man too. Take it and spread it in a love. Bring to Jah for it to germinate soon. Nothing in this world like the I know my choice. You have my choice. I know my choice. Nothing in this world like the I know my choice. It make me feel so fine. Nothing in this world like the I know my paper. You have my choice. I know my choice. Nothing in this world. Mix. Enough respect until the meet again. I don't know. The Lord God Almighty and Priory Selassie I be with the spirit. Peace with ones and ones every time we kind to each other. Every time we have a good evening here. When I say Richie, you say Spice. Richie, I like you. Like you are. So if I say Spice or Spice, you say Richie. Richie, love you now. me tell you this. Na, 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 na. Well, I'm leaving. Okay, yeah, I didn't sing like that for you. Come on, let's do this. Hey, come on, feel like it. Yes. Seven dash the routes. Yes. Already, come on, let's do this again. If you wanna know the Savior still exists, balance. Come, let me tell you this. Since I'm leaving, until we meet again, the Lord of the Mighty Emperor and the Celestial, I give you the Spirit. Peace out there. On the straight and all around.
I want to say, tell your friend them you're wicked and brutal, but now you end up in a hospital. Talk about too much girl you kill. You never stop till you write out your will. I know you are gonna doctor for pill. You should have hear when me I tell you for chill you care. See they know you're not. Hold on you went from. Hit the girl and I'll sleep on her side. Boy, take it down. Can you take it down low now? Can you take it down? I saw my love when me ask Jamaican man for take it down low, they not complain and just take it down low. Nice, see? Oh my God. Well, guess what? While they're down there, alright, may I behave? I did say I was gonna behave. Sister Colleen, don't miss me now behave. Alright. Right now I wanna see the hands of every man inside here tonight who came in on 2 wheels. Anybody there tonight or riding? No big bike? I feel so misplaced. You know what? Me still want to ride. Nobody have nothing for me ride, pon? Nothing? Give me the next. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Say me ready for the ride. Tell me are you ready for the ride now? Hey, you are you me now, darling? You better ready when the road girl come. You want to rise out of the morning. Ready for put on. You want to give me the gangster way. Give me something, take me right through the day. And it no really matter what the man ever says. Still have to ice me up, alright. And give me some good ride. Boy, back out the bike and give me some good ride. How am I want you for doom now? Come give me some good ride. Whoa, back out your bike now. Good ride. How am I want you for doom? Hey, me want a man boy have a big ninja bike. Give me right one, just the right one. Boy have the right gear, move me whole like it. And a ninja bike that you know making tricky, you know. It's a under 50. I'm a friend, I know him good, under 50. What's your car? No custody, no custody. Take it out, take it out, take it out. You know, I talk a lot of trash. Some people can't handle it. Some people don't right not like it. It disturbs some people's delicate sensibilities. But the reality is that I came up in a time when we were so limited, so boxed in, so marginalized that I had no choice but to fight and broke out and scream and shout. So this is not about disturbing your idea of reality. It is not about bursting a bubble that you choose to live in. It is about finding my place. Normalcy for me. My life is not about anybody else. And you see when I find my way, I come up as a little girl. I experiment a lot. When I do nothing too bad, not too damaging, I experiment biologically. Because forget, as good as I am, you have to do a lot of practicing. That's just reality. You couldn't think me to a master without no practice, did you? Unfortunately, when you practice and you become perfect, some of the people you practice on don't want you to forget that you had a practice phase. Now you don't mean no manners and me brawling and me loud. I'm in a self-defense mode all the time. So when some boys say, "Oh, she," me did this and that, and me look upon him like, "Me don't remember you, so you must not have been that memorable." I'm not saying you didn't, I'm saying I don't recall. You didn't make a mark. And then make a song for them because women get held back a lot. We're imprisoned in our history. People make mistakes and people have the right to move on, to grow, to improve, to become. But if you follow some people, you never move. Some people anchor you to your past, to your one lowest moment. No matter how you try to get up, them want hold you down which part, them choose for stay. Not me, not a girl, I'm a boy aunt. Pull that up and give me the next track because I make a song for them boy. Them boy, them too climb ya, them too darn and nine ya. Well, it's a one of the all of them man, them Tanya bruise up before. Now when you use the word, me want, but you can't touch me. I tell your friend them how you have the root, girl, I make up on the floor. How when you used to bend me then, but you can't. I mean, I want you put my hype up. How when you see me, you're not human. Here I'm a new man, with me new man, run with some boy and them true man. Don't have a clue, man, I want me to you, man. Me at next to me pass to a few man. But nowadays, Mr. Buckley and two man kick back. Relax in a bow, man. And you sit down and I gossip like a woman. I tell your friend them, oh, she, they walk that. But you not tell them, oh, she. She was a boy business and my phone that's in there, done that big and that. One of the Irish man selling sea, never straight to your back. You did not have the lid, did not have the shit, and you could not keep me granted. That's why me have to move up the line, me and next one the wine and fling it away. That is a one of the all of them and them on your bruise up before. And when you use the word me want, but you can't touch me. I tell your friend them how you have the wrong girl, I've been up on the floor. And when you use the minute, but you can't touch me no more. Can't walk me no more. Can't wind me no more. Can't do me no, can't throw me no. Can't watch me no more. Can't wind me no more. Can't touch me no more. Can't walk me no more. And then the ones we choose to keep, we keep them well. Bonafide still, me no want a man to keep. Me just want some for borrow and give back. Me no need the aggravation. Well, it's not the way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not your beat up car. You definitely ain't no movie star, and it's not the clothes you wear, and it's not your nappy hair, and it's not the youngster flex. Baby, it's all about that. Me just love off your bum. Love the way you have the boom boom stop. Have the big booty. You tell me time today. How I love the long ding dong boom. Love the way you walk, you make this girl stop. Climb my body, give me another stop. Have me on the top. Whoa, me love your long ding dong. Me love your long ding dong. Me love the long ding dong. Me love the long ding dong. Hey. I don't even understand why your wife a broke war. You love me, to me it's a book star. Me a put and go through, fling the kitty on you. The claw them hold your good look star. Tired for your all of my friend, them a stress pan. Why pick you when me can have the best man? But all them so sure you know the best one. When I be the later impress man. If you the boom walk, love the way you want the boom boom stop. Pan the big booty pan and say, hey you tell me time to the way me. How me love the long thing down. Love the way you walk, you make this girl so. Climb over the girl without a big shot. Have me a little time, boy. And me love the long thing down. I love the long thing down. I love the long thing down. Say me love the long thing down. Is there any man inside here tonight who has a long thing down? None? Not one? I feel so misplaced. Wow. Okay. Not to worry, I do not discriminate. And I make a lot of jokes about size of the member. But the truth is, it really is not important. I just want you guys to know that. It's good for a song, it's good for a joke, but in a real life, it's not that important. The most important muscle that you need to stimulate when it comes to intimacy is the brain. Because if you stimulate that muscle well enough, every other muscle will fall in place. Trust me, I know this. I've done a lot of practicing. I told you, right? So whatever size ding dong you have, do not be alarmed. It's okay. Work on your personality. And you'll be fine. Trust me. There's somebody out there for you. Don't try to get with everybody. Everybody's not for you. If you don't feel right, if you don't work out, don't tell a lie, no trick nobody picnic. They're just not for you and it's okay. And if them reject you, may get ghosted, you know, who cares? But just find one living person, you want to be a ghost, alright, then die, man. I'm gonna find a living person, I'm gonna move on to the next. It's okay. It's okay, right? Yes. Boy, give me the bumper. Stop. Hot never put it in. Can you tell me time to the end? I'm a local and ding dong. Look the way I want to make this girl stop. Claim my money, give me not a big truck. Have me a little top. Boy, me love your long ding dong. Love your long ding dong. But me love the short ding dong too. I love the ding dong. Take it on now. Take it on now. Take it on now. Take it down now. Take it down, down. How low can I go? Don't you wish you knew? I can't go down there, you have to pick me up. Oh gosh, alright. Pull it. You know, tonight is a good Saturday night and we're having fun together, right? Yeah. We are. But not every Saturday night is a good one. Guess what? Can I just say thank you to all of my exes? You make such beautiful songs. Give it an extra. Give it an extra. I just someone better we load them up, make them fall down, yo. Saturday night was our anniversary, so I made something special. Go out and we do everything right. From the champagne chilling to the dim lights. Put on some music, turn it way down low. Love it softies, we get the right flow. Lay out me negligee, we have the real glow. And after all of that, the wretch never show. Well, 10 o'clock, they say it a get later. 11 o'clock, me a contemplate. And say me nah go get vexed, me still a wait. And now watch your lateness, how we are. 12 o'clock when me no see him, me start to red. 1 o'clock anger turn into panic. Me start wonder if them rob him. Feel guilty, my big time man profit. Pick up my phone and start call up my friends. Jump in on my car and go circle some ends. Touch back in the house and start fall on the floor when whoop. Guess who? Stepping in and a 2:45. Talk about what's your story. What could have been more important to me? Talk about what's your story. You couldn't teach me, I go deserve the peace. Talk about what's your story. Somebody please, when go call the police. Talk about what's your story. Come on now, how will you want to say to me? Come on now. You know what I'm the officer, right? In stepping on the house, I bring him church duty with some spur the moment flowers. Acting like he don't know something wrong. Somebody please sing him the first verse. About your sister stop down at Juicy them shop. Well, 1:30 when me pass Juicy. Oh, so you left down a Juicy and go around a burrow. Well, me the check me so too. Them never see you. About your stop down at the market, play 2 and a poker. Somebody please rest. Catch himself a fire. Call the fire brigade. It's the pity and a 2:45. Tell them what's the story. What would have been more important than me? Tell them what's the story. You could have teach me, I go disturb the peace. Tell them what's the story. Somebody please, go call the police. Tell them what's the story. Come on now, come on now. How will you have to say? Won't you come on now? Come on now. You know when me ask him what the story was this man have the nerve to tell me him find another girl. Now you could have looked on somebody unstable like me and tell me that to my face. Listen, me know that one of Jamaicans love to hide on no emotional and psychological problems, but I do not do that. I does not does that. If it's there, we're gonna deal with it, right? But at the time, I did no anger management, so I never do him nothing. I went to the bar, I had a drink, and then my drink brought a few friends along with it. Cause my drinks them social, take it on, pull it. And then the drinks them start talk to me, and the drinks them I say, girl, you gonna really make him do that? Me know you have your little yam thing about you and all of that, but you gonna really take that styling? And I say I chew, you know, and then the drink. Let me tell you something. You see Mr. Ray and he nephew them? Oh, whole family just run out. Call him up. Pull it. Give me an extract. So them tell me if I call him, give me an extract. So I call him. I guess I'm expected to say God bless you, but you left me. I never left you. When me there right now, I'm really not sure. Can I say F you? I hope you can't live without me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Can't get your mind to stop thinking about me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Whoa, I hope you wind up slowly. Can't eat, can't sleep, yeah, can't breathe. I know I wish I could have still come hold me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. I bet you think I'm supposed to smile. Put the best outside. Put on an act. Protect my pride. You want me to take it like that. But I'm a girl who cries. So if I come to your ties, don't be too surprised. And while I'm at it, I may as well key up your car. Cause what you did to my heart, that's an act of war. For every step you take, I'll be one step behind. Won't let you get me out of your mind. I hope you can't live without me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Can't get your mind to stop thinking about me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. I hope you wind up lonely. Can't eat, can't sleep, and then you wanna wish you could have still come home. Can't eat, can't sleep. Hey, I should be alone to be bitter. It's only fair. I'm falling apart, but the rich don't care. Why is she so happy? Why do you smile? And why aren't you guys fighting all the while like we did? I know it must be a charade. God, please send me a shower, but not now. I hope she's cheating and juggling nuts like a squirrel. Better yet, I hope she leaves you for a girl, cause you can't live without me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Can't get your mind to stop thinking about me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. I hope you wind up lonely. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. And then you wanna wish you could have still come home me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. You see the girl? She can't cook like me, can't joke like me. She don't know your way in and out like a book like me. She don't full of style like me. May I tell you God truth? I hear someone sing along with me with a foolishness saying, can't cook like me. How would you tell me can't cook? No full of style like me. You ever see me do style? What a line song. But then say cuss not bring no good word, that's all. So like it legal, like when you have poetic license and you have cussing license too. So when you have cuss, you're free for life. I know me, I cooking one. She probably can't cook better than me. I didn't guess what. Take it down low. You see that now? No key nobody care. No puncture, no tire. Why not? First of all, I tell you, poetry is beautiful, and you see all of them feelings that when me have, me not keep them inside, me let them out, but me not act on them. You see somebody not like you, you can't do nothing to change that. Just work with it. Just move on to somebody else who like it. It's simple. Don't try to force nobody to stay with you. If the love gone, make them go on with it. You don't want a hostage. You want a lover or you want a hostage? You want a prisoner? You want a prisoner? Me no know how to do it now. No fight with a man night and lie down and sleep with him in night. Fight in a day, sleep with him in night. Me no do them something there. The first argument of the breakup. After you pick argument with me, just pack your sit them same time. Cause we not talk back. Me not do that. Me not, no to no left through the door. Me not care for left, right, center, climb through one window, something just go on. Cause me not doing that with you. When I not do that, something where you disrespect me, you call me all kind of thing, and then me and you make up what? You try to make up nothing in my ears. Cause me not like nobody that much. In moment, me realize you don't like me top like you too. I mean, did like somebody will like me and that not exist, so bye. Detach. Learn for detach. Yeah? So them songs are nice. But if you are going through a breakup, do not key a car, do not cause any damage to anybody's property, and definitely do not damage anybody. Please. If you feel wronged and you must get justice, do it the legal way. About 90% of my friend are a liar. I don't know, I guess we are trapped. Give me an extractor, we are got a quote. Baby, when you left me, my life was instantly transformed to hell, and I used to hurt so bad, oh God. I never thought I'd get well, so me don't look at me. I used to wonder, after you, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Baby, after you. Me I go put on a sad face, so the judge give me the yard. Run up X amount of bills, my platinum card. Show a charge up with my nose around in a coat, so me getting up to live nice. My friend, I love you, cause you keep it drinking HQ. And we couldn't fit in the bed, so give thanks for the H2. Me know how you left me and for a while we did a bar, but me tell them me left you cause your body too small. Now after you, here's what I'm gonna do. Right around on its way to, and still live off of you. How am I tell me I gonna do after you? I know we're ready to be a child alive. Now I'm working everything still nice. Baby, after you. Hey, you never knew what a wife and a loaf for men. Some want half of everything like the government. Now you can tell your friends you really have a bitchy wife. When I stick you up and clean you out like Lionel Richie wife. Me I take the house, the car, the children, your screwdrivers, even the power drill them. All women I need, me still a go take, cause me did need you, but that never stop you from left after you. Here's what I'm gonna do. Right around on this way to, and still live off of you. Just rescue. If you're running, no get fixed when him left you. Remember you are the one where did the chase for you. We put on with gas mask and not take it personal. We see bread by you, we give him out to mouth. Remember the angel a snuggle in your arms every morning. I just might be the devil in someone else's arms tonight. Someone fight, this is a rescue run where they are. Wake up from her from a sea now. Cause some young me here now. And of course, if by some accident tonight you had a little bit too much to drink and you made a mistake of rescuing the wrong man, it happens. It happens, doesn't it? Only to me. But you know what? If you rescue the wrong man, be a big woman about it. As soon as you discover your mistake, pick up the phone, call up his wife and say, lady, please forgive me for the wrong I've done. I need you to come take your property off of my property. Give me the next try. Yo. You must have a little credit. Call her up. Natalie. Back in the day, me and my friend them used to move X. Cut and go to what all the crew used to flex. Any man we see where we want, we just stick. Y'all talk too hard, you like it in a shit. Couple of times you used to call me on the phone. Cuss me out for leave your husband alone. I just know me, you fully understand why me really need to leave your man. Cause him refuse to look up, so him back in stay broke. Can't mash your hands, but I worry much up. You say you really love him, and me knife. Wifey, please, take it back. And you can find the clothes them for me land. If when you come, you don't see me be gone. That's when I love you, you wanna provide. Take it back, wifey, take it back. I look how me used to brag and show off. In the era you have the last song. If it even means say me have a papa, I go take you back. You a go take it back. How come take it back now? Won't you take it back now? Wifey, take it back now. Take it back. Me think him was a top of the top, him know even bottom of the top. Him friendly, him every piece of ice in my rock. I tell me about him have a drop top on a yacht. Me can't believe a girl like me fall for that. If me never did so vex, me woulda find it funny. Me ready for spend no money. Three people want me give me half a ton round body. Me a give back to you. How well me coulda walk away them cause him look kinda cute. But I you for really have him cause you have him cute. Say you really love him, I will not find that. Wifey, please take him back. And you can find the clothes them for me land. If when you come, you don't see me be gone. That's in the love for your man a prefer. Take him back, wifey, take him back. Hello, come and used to brag and show up. Down in the end and you have the last star. And if it even means say me have a papa, you a go, well, lady, come take him back, no. You have to take him back, no. Come take him back, no. Won't you take him back? You know, I talk a lot of things, see, man. Sometimes I listen to myself and I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe you said that. Well, I said it. But you were thinking it. But that's bold enough to say it. And why you not bold enough to say it too? If you talk what you think, because the thought is as condemning as the deed, right? So if you think it to me as well, just say it and done, you still have condemn feet. Talk your mind, free up. Pull it. Yes, right now, I want to invite the people who are in love with people or say them in love with people for go home. Sometimes, just go home now. Now listen, let me tell you, you have one little hit movie where they come out with one little boy named Home Alone with Macaulay Culkin. I don't know no woman who wants to start that. So you out this one, Jamaican man, them have a style for pretend they're homophobic. They are so not. Oh God, they love them friend them. Girl, I'm if to tell you, don't stop give that bad reputation out in the international market because you are not homophobic. You love no man friend them. You don't par with them. Your man friend have to explain why you need a loan from you. Your girl have to beg up and plead with you to get a pack of ear. Talk truth. You par with your 15-man friend them all day, every day. Your girl sit down her yard by herself, like Macaulay Culkin. Yeah? One of them man they circle me wide. Me comfortable with you be yourself. So just find one of them man the way you like and second down with him and stop pretend. I'm going to cut out all of this foolishness once and for all. Find a nice guy. Don't trick people, picnic. Don't trick me. If you trick me, me trick you back, you know. You're not going to like it, me. I trick you back with something physical. Give me next track, yeah. Feeling for the beat. What would you do if your baby is gone?
chilling with his crew, leaving you home alone. Well, if you're a prude, you might be holding on, but if you're a girl like me, you know, call him up, you see. Tell him the kind of mood that you're in. You need him under your skin. If him choose, fi go cruise with him crew. You walk a post, the first man was a pin. I put him next talking. If him still, give me the next track, yeah. Come home, brother. Hi, hi. Whoa, hi now, me hot. You know, I can still remember when it was just me and you. Suddenly it's you and your crew now. Forget everything about your boo now. I wish you woulda treat me like a Glock. I woulda love it if you keep my cock. I wish you woulda treat me like a yacht. Keep me wet while the waves in my rock. Why you can't stay upon me like the corner and keep your lips pumping like your marijuana? I woulda love it if you treat me like the club. Stay up in me when I just a bump and grind and roll. So what you want my nails from? So I live on the street and the tire. So feel the sin of my world. And these streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. Sure that the love we have when it takes so much effort for care. Lord, I'm just like a plain old jersey, you have a picture. Hey, I wish you woulda treat me like an ounce. Me know you're darling good at when you bounce. Wish you the woman have boots like your Tims. Needs to act cooler than the sign. Why you can't stay upon me like the phone man? I never leave the house without me like the crew man. Boy, I wish you woulda treat me like your whips. Your girls are perfect 10, but the men's them are only a 5 and a 6. You don't understand how much a woman is from. How I live on the street all the time. These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. You need to show that the love we have when it takes so much effort for play. Bound to know that we're just like a plain old jersey, you are. You see, if you not come home, don't worry about it. Somebody else will come home for you. So my thing said, me not apologize for that neither. Big man thing. You see, if you don't like it, don't do it. But do me, you do you. We two different people. And you don't mind it when you have the advantage, you know, that we're different. I don't know why you mind it other times. It's mind the business and we all good. So when me say, if you don't come home, somebody else will come home for you. I don't expect nobody else to look on we and I turn up them nose. Put your nose back by your face and take it out of people's business. You see right now? If you don't come home, me will find a replacement for you. All for your wife. If you make me know your wife, you get joke. This song is what every man will come here so tonight with him wife, him sweetheart, him girlfriend, him fiance, him significant other, whatever you call her, your best, your friend. And it's coming to you from all of us women who still like me, we don't give a damn that you have her. Yeah? Give me the track. Well, I said if we never get a chance to be together, go with Tanya love. Wanna say it is a pity you already have a wife. I'm made of a money, I'm alive. No, why it is a pity. It is such a pity. You already have a wife. I'm me have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I woulda liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pale of rain. Go to the party and the smoking and the
in a public and can't even touch. Really mess me up. But check for you so much the respect when my have for your woman and your kids. Good one for girls. I know maintenance. Who knows? Maybe one day the world will be evolved enough. We'll share your win of said if we never get a chance to be together, go with John, Tanya, I love ya. I want to thank you guys so much for having me. Big up yourself and enjoy the show. Big up Tommy Cohen, big up Carly Davis. Yo, big up Richie Spice, big up Leroy Sibbles, big up Carly Dance Queen, and most of all, big up Chaka Demus and Pliers. Love it to the samba. Thank you guys, good night. Go with ya, Tanya, love ya.
People, one more time. Let's put our hands together for Tanya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Respect must be given.
I'll say it's quite alright. Did they feeling good like I was wrong? I was blind, but now I see what life can be when you love. Ooh, oh, na, na, na. Ooh, na, 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 na. Hey, her love is burning. Just like a fire, she lifts me higher. Every day you do, ooh, my desire. Sing. Oh, can't you see? The need in me, come with me, come with me. I need you so, come with me. Oi, what was it? You gonna hunger, you know? Plantation Cove. Jump around till you know so you're ready. Work it. Watching out when the posse come, listen me now. What's up? Pick up your foot till you know so you're sexy. Work it. Watch it. We don't worry, cause everything done, cook and everything coming. The enemy here in a dance and party. Watch out the young, they are bubble well steady. They bubble on the left, they bubble on the right. So listen, try to be with me, the truth, with me, the mind, of me, the one, the know, the boss, of me, the one, the don't come. We will take you out of darkness, but you win and dinner. Every posse come and dance, yes, and listen to tonight. Come on, jump around till you know so you're ready. Watching over the posse come and listen me now. What's up? Pick up your foot till you know so you're sexy. Give me some. Your name Young Girl Business Control Jamaica. Young Girl Business Control Jamaica. And I road for the drive play my faster. And I road for the drive Benz and Jamba. And I road for the drive Toyota Corolla. If you work a free zone, you a free zone worker. Even if you work as a domestic, if you what it? Good for the goose, yes, it's good for the ganja. One good turn, yes, it deserve another. Yes, sir. Jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire. To be late, I'll be till you're done with. Friends up and friends down, we all stick together. All stick together like a stamp on a letter. Watch Chaka Demus, watch Chaka Demus, watch Chaka Demus, watch Chaka, watch it.
sunlight in the day, and the moonlight in the night. Fishes are dancing, and the rivers rolling by. There is still a blue sky, still another baby cry. I wonder why some people sigh. Oh Lord, life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day another baby's born. Hey, just think of the life that you can live and the things that you can give. Remember every day to think positive. Live, life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day another baby's born. Look, another loving to be defined. Sweet, sweet memories on my mind. You gotta take some time. Cease from war when you're killing and crime. Ooh, life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day another baby's born. Watch it. And love is a moon. And love is the stars. And love is happiness when you're feeling sad. Love is a moon. And love is the stars. And love is happiness when you're feeling sad. Cause life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day another baby's born. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Roll along. Come on, baby, let the train roll. Come on, baby, let the train soul. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Let me tell you something. I want to give thanks for all of the beautiful people who turn out tonight and support the concert. You see what I say? Yeah. Enough respect to Tanya Stephens, Leroy Sibbles, Richie Spice, Dancehall Queen Carly, Dance Expression, Vonnie, you, and everybody in the place. Me love you.
Yeah, man. Love.
This is the original Chaka, the girl named Maka. Me give it to them proper. And me have the bread stop and the double whopper. So listen. Next track. All of them are going and I run round the world. No doubt can't get my girl. 24/7 watching. Poor Pleasant Chaka Demus watching. Step out.
She don't let nobody. 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 She don't let nobody but me. Nobody but me. Other guys try to hold her in. They want to one night stand. They don't steer when she's around. I'm surprised she puts them there. She don't let nobody. She don't let nobody but me. Nobody but me. I don't worry much, we're so bad. See each other most every night. She let me have the master key. That's why I kissed her explicitly. She don't let nobody. She don't let nobody but me. Nobody but me.
Alright, I don't know. Only me alone. The pump me girl wine. Only me alone. Make her love like shine. Only me alone. The pump me girl wine. Only me alone. Make her love like shine. Me say no man a rush but them bed it does. Only me alone I get the love of love up. No fly out the road. Them a rush and a lost but my little girl she don't love the mix up.
She don't let nobody. 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 She don't let nobody but me. Nobody but me. Other best have ordered in. When the one night
the girl mind, only me alone. Make her love like shine, only me alone. Upon the girl mind, only me alone. Make her love like shine.
She don't let nobody. She don't let nobody but me. Nobody but me. She don't let nobody. 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 She don't let nobody but me. She don't let nobody. 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 She don't let nobody but me.
Yes.
She don't let nobody. 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 She don't let nobody but me.
Thank you.
Sexy lady had so much love to give.
Oh, baby. Oh, dear.
Sexy lady had so much love to give.
I wanna be your man. 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 I wanna understand. I wanna be your man. See, I'm steady. Got to be the cherry from your sweet cherry tree.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. See, I'm steady. I got to be the cherry from your sweet cherry tree.
Oh, baby.
Hear me now. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. She's humble and reputable. When me say I feel comfortable, she's humble and reputable. When me say I feel comfortable a long time. Me a admire you, and me know from your heart you want to do the same thing a long time. Say me a admire you, and me know from your heart you want to do the same thing. I'm in the mood for some good loving. Baby girl, it's a good feeling. I'm in the mood for some good loving. Baby girl, it's a good feeling. I wanna be your man. I wanna be I wanna be. When you talk, your voice is like sweet melody. Come baby girl, me love you like life. Cause everyone you give to me, what I do it. Not to me family, you get on with life. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. She's a friend, she's a lover, want her to be my wife. Come on! Woman, you mean so much in my life. I wanna be your man. I want you to understand. And I ain't gonna let you go now, baby.
much love to give.
Thing. I'll be a million seller we are doing, you know.
People, don't. I'm here. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you very much for coming out and supporting us. Chaka Demus and Pliers, Richie Spice, Tanya Stephens, all of us. Carlene is here. See, yeah man, much love from the heart. Man, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, Pinky Lou. Sorry, singer. Big up Pinky Lou. Love you, yeah?
Hey, oh God. Pinky, that one you feel. She's floating like a butterfly, so charming. She recognized the man in me. And there is something in her eyes, like a spell getting hypnotized. Oh Lord, she gave me one smile, two smiles, three smiles, got me going wild. So, anyway, tease me, baby, until I lose control. And tease me with your love until I lose control. Take all my body and my soul.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the angel face with the double heart. You also have a muffin Chaka Demus and Pliers company the case. Step up my youth! Hey! Hey!
I noticed that the girl on his taxi, her eating like a bunch of flowers. If I ever tell you I'm taxi, you say I don't know what I know. Murder she loves, murder she loves, murder she loves, murder she
Watch out with the name, up in the face of back. My God!
where are they going?
My God, you're going to give me a heart attack?
Don't go away.
You're going to give me a heart attack? My word, Carly. Oh, my word. Thank you very much.
Happy 30 years to Bernie She Wrote, and thanks to this video, I'm still here with them.
My lovely, beautiful.
Take a picture of me. Picture of me. Alright. We love her to the soul and the heart. We know.
All right, Carly. Beautiful. All right, Carly, pick up yourself. One scotch, one bourbon, one beer. Sure, this is one scotch, one bourbon, one beer. Sure, I've been the age of the ones that make you listen well. Ain't got no money, bring the round the bus fare. When the you were found up, is the way that you're near. Drive
Just think of the sunlight in the day, and the moonlight in the night. Pictures
rivers rolling by, there is still a blue sky, still another baby cry. I wonder why some people sigh. Oh Lord, life goes on, life goes on, life goes on, and every day another baby's born. Hey, just think of a life that you can live and the things that you can give. Remember every day to think positive. Live, life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. And every day another day is born. Look!
Oh, Chaka said that you're pretty, you feel so pretty, but your character dirty. Then you just up to flirty, flirty. You want to come big and also marry. And when you find your mistake, you talk about so sorry, sorry, sorry. Come on!
She have a cool kind of what you do, some what you do. She know about those like I never wanna run. Make up for the good Chinese, white man and Indian. This kind of girl that is something that's from. Do you heard about the girl? Her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of roses. Why you want to about Maxine? Say I don't know her, no. Sing for me.
Where does she go?
Please.
Where does she go? Where does she go?
Why does she run?
Stand still, you not feel me like me. You get some rubber muffin when you wind it. Can't keep up, and you are brother, baby. And the lyrics of the talk, it may DJ young promoter. Because you not shop out when you hear the rubber muffin, nothing jump on. Not touch me date. You not feel me want to rip it on. Ratings, great, you're under it. You put the face on back character. In the kind of living down, oh Chaka. You put the face on back character. In the kind of living down, oh Chaka. Say that you're pretty, pretty and so pretty, but your character dirty. Then you just up to flirty, flirty. You run the down and also marry. And when you say your mistake, you talk about your sorry, sorry, sorry.
Where did she run?